habis ke atas. Gitu deh. Jadi lava. Volcano erupted biar lebih jelas. Yuk, kalau Miss Nalika punya botol kertas, ini juga food coloring, baking powder, sama tutup yang dari Coca-Cola ini, terus gunting sendok. Nah, dikasih guntingnya dulu, jadi itu. Udah jadi, dimasukin baking powdernya. Oh.
Yang banyak kan? Pegangin botolnya, pegangin.
Oke.
Yang banyak aja nggak apa-apa. Nggak apa-apa.
And one more five.
Yang banyak. Nah, segitu, masukin semua. Kasih pewarna.
That's it. Looking kind of weird.
Sekali lagi aja.
Oh ya. A big. Terus ini. Oh ya. Itu dulu. How do we open this? Oh, that's kind of easy. Ah, my arm is red. No. Okay. Just a little bit. Ah. And come on. Okay, I think Messi is the part of the jump. Ah. Messi is a part of.
Belum dibuka, sayang.
How do I put?
Need help? Sini.
Yes.
Sini.
No laughing. Getting dirty is all part of the job, right?
Right. Getting dirty is part of the job. Careful.
Careful. Very careful. You need to do it this. Or it will. Just a few drops will no mind.
Pencet aja, nggak apa-apa.
Oh. Oh no. Ew, it's
Erupted belum?
need to wait for it first.
Kurang?
It's making a sound, but not enough.
Tambah lagi baking powdernya.
Baking powder. Okay. Maybe it needs more baking powder.
Nah, yang banyak.
Maybe it's too much, or maybe it needs more. We need to. Maybe the experiment failed.
Tambah lagi.
Oh, tambah lagi. There. I'm already getting dirty. Someone give me a towel.
Nah, nggak apa-apa. Eruptif nggak?
Tidak. Cuman spill. Oh, maybe it erupted.
Masih?
Yes. I need to get it all in. One bottle is already enough.
Tambah lagi itunya. Tambah lagi itunya.
Okay.
Sukses nggak?
Huh?
Sukses nggak?
Success. Oh, it's just feel good.
Baking powdernya tambah lagi.
I guess so. The more the better. I accidentally put too much.
Sukses nggak?
Go in here. Oh no! I feel the baking. That's how volcano erupted. Bye, Miss. Miss, Rika, percobaannya tadi sukses. Terus habis itu teh tangannya masih merah. Terus Rika teh mau gambar gunung berapi. Terus